Hey guys, my name is Jonah. So today I'll be showing you these cool new effects on Instagram Reels. I've only started noticing this today. I've tested it on the iPhone, but it's not there yet. So in order to actually see this, you have to actually create a reel or reels. Now usually what you do is you put some effects on your reels, right? Here you can see like audio, length, speed, effects, touch up, video layout, timer. These are the common feature that you actually activate or use when you actually use or record on Reels. Of course, apart from having the maximum 60 seconds on Instagram Reels, which was recently announced by Instagram not long ago, what we're going to talk about is the effects. So here you can see that used to be like you just search all the effects or just browse it left to right. Now search I check my iPhone, it's like that, but here it's totally different. As you can see, it's kind of like a grid box, format. It's very friendly user, I should say, and it's very easy to find. Here you can see there's trending effects, there's real effects, there's appearance. So what we're going to do is pick one. They already have this on the current phone, but it doesn't look like this. Okay, so say if you want to choose this black and white, obviously it will go black and white. Now I don't think these are new. It's just looks better on the screen and it's easier for you to find. So let's take off that effect. Oops. Take. And here as well, what's cool about this is there's also an audio reaction. Oh, there you go. Uh, I'm pretty sure you know this already, which is close up. Also voice effects. You can change helium, giant, vocalist, and so on, announcer. So there you have it. It just looks more, it's organized, I guess. You don't have to like look for the effects here and all that and search for the effects like it was before. And there you have it. And if you don't have it, I'm using the Android, by the way, not the iPhone. Perhaps you have to update your phone and see how that goes. Part of the beta test. So if you don't see it, you can also share effect link. I don't know how to do that yet, but see how that goes. Yeah, there you go. So you can share these effects to your friends and all that. It looks awesome. Enjoy.